Hello. We are going to unbox something. And yeah, so my sister got me this ring light for my birthday. So my parents came over on my birthday and they dropped it off. And it's so cool because it can do this. So it dims the light and brightens the light. Diba bongga kasuwawa eh. Kano tanaan na diba? It can change the lights too. See? It's yellow, bright, and I don't know how to describe it. Maybe a dim bright. I don't know. Anyways, so wait, that's so bright. Maybe I'll take off my eyeglasses. So yeah, I don't have any makeup on, but yeah. So anyways, I got this Il Makiage. So I actually got this February before my birthday, and the other one surprisingly. So I got two. I have two. I know I bought something from them. I don't remember anymore what it is, but the other box actually, I think they sent it by mistake. So I don't know what's inside it, but it's been like 2 months, almost 3 months since I got it. So yeah, I don't really like changing. I mean, I don't like sending back how do you call this, packages. It's not very eco-friendly. So like it wasn't my mistake that it was sent to me. I checked my account and I don't think I was charged with anything. So I think the other one was the foundation that I used to use. I haven't actually been, since my chickenpox, I haven't used any makeup on my face. Even when I did my work placement, I only did some eyebrows. My eyebrows are not tamed right now, so I only did my eyes, because you can't really, like, if you wear makeup and then your skin can't breathe because of the face mask, it's not good for your skin. So I stopped, and my skin is still very sensitive right now. If you can see that, this comes up, and then if the sun hits my face really good, it gets red and burnt so easily. So yeah, let's do this. So let's start with the heavy one. I think this is, let me check. So there's no date. Anyways, let's open it up. So as usual, it comes in this box. So I have another one here too, because it's a very nice box. I reused it for school. Way to go! Yeah, I'm cheering myself. So this is... So this is for the foundation. This one is for the foundation. And yeah, I think they sent this because I haven't been using them. So this is the foundation. It's so cool. I hope this is okay. This is the right shade. This is the second shade that I actually got from them, because the first shade was so off. I look like the Simpsons because I was yellow. So this one is actually my shade now. It's shade 45 Woke Up Like This foundation. So I still have like a bottle of this one because I haven't. It's actually very good because you can use it, and like it covers your face and neck very well. It depends on how you apply it. So my one bottle of this one is still, I still have it. It's not even like half, I think, because I don't know. It's like since COVID, I haven't been using the. So oh, it has a magnet now. It didn't have this before. That's cool. Yeah, so I haven't been using my foundation from the last time. I still have the bottle. That's what I used. So I think I actually ordered this one. Well, the mascara I ordered, I think, or it was like the freebie, or maybe it was like a birthday. I don't know. I really don't know. I just don't remember ordering it. So this is the mascara. You'll see that it's very fine. Personally, I don't like eyelash extensions, so I like a good mascara. I haven't actually used this yet, but for the other brands that I have, I like the waterproof ones and the ones that's easily to take off. Like you don't pull your eyelashes off, but they're actually, there's this, I forgot what brand I used. I got it from the pharmacy, so it wasn't a fancy one. Every time I buy makeup, they're usually like the ones on sale, because I'm not good at makeup, so I don't really like. If I have bought makeup for myself, this is probably the most expensive one that I bought in for myself or for anybody. No, actually no. Before this one I had MAC. So MAC lipsticks. I like their lipsticks, especially the matte ones. I like matte lipsticks. I don't like the glossy ones. I just don't like. I don't like things that sparkle unless I really need to. I don't like glitter anymore. I'm past that stage. Because maybe I always had the black love for black. So this I remember ordering. So yeah, I think this one, the other box, was actually like maybe a birthday gift. I don't remember, but I remember I received an email that I will be getting this one, and I said I didn't order it, but it was already shipped, so I am not gonna spend a dime shipping it back. And yeah, it's not good for the environment. So these boxes I will actually going to reuse, and this one too. It's good for gifts. Yeah, I'm cheap, you know. So this I remember, the lipstick. I remember ordering this one because I've been eyeing on this lipstick. And is this like another mascara? What? Okay, because I didn't know that I was getting this one. So this actually arrived before this one. So these I ordered because I got a discount for, I think, for leaving a review or something like that, or it was birthday discount. I really don't remember anymore. Mom brain. So this one I got after. That's why I told my husband I don't remember ordering another stuff from them, like I'm only expecting one. But, yeah. So this is their lipstick. This one is actually, so I like matte lipsticks, so long wear. I wear lipstick sometimes even if I'm in the house, But the lipsticks that I've got them from Costco. I just saw them on the shelf and I was like, huh, I haven't worn any lipstick for like over a year now because of COVID, and we're just staying here. We're not going anywhere. So hopefully this is a different one. They're pretty much the same color. They actually are. Yeah. Well, maybe I'm gonna give this to my sister. Because like I don't always use mascara. So I'm just gonna give this one to her. So I'll keep this one. The foundation, I'll definitely keep it because I don't think they're gonna go bad as long as you don't use and open them. I think they're good for hopefully a while. So yeah. Water. I don't see any dates that this should be used to. I know for foundation, I think you have to use it within 6 months after opening, or 6 months to a year, I think. Because that's the rule, because you know makeup gets molds too if you've already opened them and used them. But this one is actually very good. I think this will actually last longer because it's a pump. See? Oh, sorry. Wait, I'm gonna get the other one. I'll show it to you how it looks like. This is what it looks like after you peel it off. I'm not gonna open this one. I'll leave it right there. This one is a pump. Yeah, I know it's dirty. See, that's what happens if you don't clean it up, and the foundation just builds up. But yeah, see, I haven't actually used that much. You can see through the light. Let's see. Yeah. So yeah, this is what I have been using. The last time I used this was actually before my birthday. Before I had my chicken pox, and I noticed every time I use this, I get bumps on my face. I don't know if it's just my hormones, my crazy hormones, or coincidence. I don't know. So anyway, that's it. And oh yeah, so these are the lipsticks that I got from Costco. They only cost. I'm not into glitter, but I saw them and the colors are so nice. But I won't probably use them outside because we wear masks anyway. So I've tried, I think I've worn this one because this is my go-to color. So yeah, it's so glittery. I don't know. Or no, this one I tried because I think I opened it. It's not properly closed. So anyways, this one, I actually found this on Shein. It's for their accessories, so you can put, let's see, you can put your mascara here. Let's see if it fits. It's just a little organizer for your drawers. My drawer isn't organized, but it won't fit. Find something that fits. Anyways, yeah, it's actually good for big cases. I'm just not sure if this will fit. No, that's too big either. So yeah, these fit perfectly for my lipstick. This one is too loose. Maybe this will fit nicely. Sorry about my voice. My voice is usually like this at night, and I'm fairly tired, so forgive me. It doesn't fit nice. There you go. So yeah, that's it. That's me unboxing my Il Makiage. This video is not sponsored. I'm just telling you. Just so you know, I don't get anything from this. The kids are asleep and I feel like doing something, and it's Mother's Day tomorrow, so I'm trying to unbox stuff and unbox something. We'll see you in the next video.